Hey there fellow planners and organizers, hope you're all having a great holiday season and Happy New Year in advance. I am super excited about this video today. I'm going to be sharing with you a place to get fully editable, printable planner templates completely free. Just like the ones I have right here. So stick around and let's get to it. Hello, I'm Aaron, and as you know, I'm a big fan of PDFelement, and I'm an even bigger fan of editable and printable planner templates. Today, I'm really excited to share the free planner templates of PDFelement with you. That's because it saves me valuable time and improves my work efficiency. In addition, you'll know how to customize your planner templates for your individual needs to help you reach your goals in the new year. So are you looking to get all different kinds of planner templates? Need daily, weekly planners, productivity to-do lists, and more? Well, you've come to the right place. So here is a sample that I want to show you. As a photographer and videographer, I often need to have a clear plan to organize my shoots, keep everything organized, and finish my work on time, keeping everything on track. So I'm able to create and customize my own action plans by using PDFelement's planner templates. So first up, load up PDFelement's website page. There are links in the description, and make sure to download PDFelement for Windows. Now, if you don't already have a Wondershare ID, simply create an account by entering your email address, password that's easy to remember, name and location, and then click on Create Account. So to find the templates, simply navigate over to the template section, and here you'll find a host of multi-purpose templates. And in this instance, we're focusing on the planner and to-do list templates. Now, the reason I love using PDFelement's planner templates is not only because there's a bunch of free ones, but because they're also fully editable for my individual needs. So once you have the planner templates up and open, and you have selected the template you want to use, you'll see that we have two main options here. So firstly, we can download the template as is by clicking on free download. This will allow you to save the file. And as you can see here, it's been saved on my computer's desktop. I can then open this, I can print it, I can share, I can do whatever I want with it basically. The second option is to click Edit Now, and this will let you actually customize the planner directly within PDFelement. So just give it a few seconds to open. And here you'll see the template is open and ready to edit. So in this case, I want to choose a template to help me with my next photo shoot. So I quite like the look of this one here. So I'm going to now click on this and hit Edit Now. And now I think I'm going to change some of the text and the color. So let's do that now. So make sure you're in the Edit panel. And for example, this text here, I'm going to change this to, let's say, non-priority. So these are some of the tasks that I might be able to do if I have some free time, but they're not super important. And then for this one, since we already have an image of a clock here, I'm going to make this one time sensitive for any work that is going to be important and that I should do within a certain time limit. And if you want to change, for example, the font color, so this to-do list, you can just highlight the text and this box will open up. So here you can change the font, you can change the font size, you can also move the box around. And to change the text color, click on the box here and choose which color you want. So for example, let's choose blue. And for time sensitive, I might change this one to red. I'm also going to add some personalized images as well to this template. So to do that, simply go over to Add Image at the top here, and you can select a JPEG or an image file from your computer. So for example, I have this logo for my business. Just resize that slightly. And maybe I'll put that in the top right corner over here. Okay, I'm also going to add one more picture just to give you an example of this JPEG here of me working and holding a camera. So I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller. Let's just move some things around. Okay, and there you have it. Okay, cool. So here now I have my own customized planner. I've added my own text for things that I would like to do. And hopefully this will be very helpful to keep me organized on my next shoot. In addition to this, PDFelement also provides all of the necessary tools of a complete PDF editor. So I can further customize this. I can add comments, I can highlight things, strike through, draw shapes, add comments. I can even convert it to multiple different formats. I could combine it, compress the PDF, lots of different options here basically. So now that it's ready to be used, I can print it. So to print it, you can press Ctrl P or go File and Print. And this will open up the print box. And this will give you some options for printing. So here you would select which printer you want to use. I don't actually have one connected to my computer right now, but for example, you would see it here. Choose how many copies you want to make, as well as the paper source. You can also choose which page ranges if you have multiple pages. And also don't forget to select or deselect gray print if you want it in color or black and white. You can also orientate it differently if you wanted to do that too. And because all of the free planner templates from PDFelement's template model are in PDF format, we don't need to worry about any format and compatibility issues. That means you don't have to do any complex format adjustments after editing. There's no need to worry about your file working on different systems and devices. It's all very reliable and easy to use no matter what device or OS you're using. So 3 reasons why I love using editable templates with PDFelement. Well, 1 is because you can find exactly what you want and fully customize and edit it to suit any situation. 2, it's free. There's no need to spend extra money on expensive planners and paper. And 3, they're quick and easy to create and make a big impact on your productivity. It's a small and simple thing, but makes a big difference. But if you want to find free planner templates that allow for deep customization, the PDFelement template store is a fantastic resource. Plus, they are also updating more templates and adding new ones all the time. So stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed to keep updated about this on this channel. So no matter whether you're a student or a businessman, a well-organized plan can help you make your workflow more efficient and reach your goals. So with that, here are my 4 top tips to help you plan your next big project. So tip number 1 is to set priorities and ensure that the most important goals are met first. 2, break down your goals into smaller, more easily achievable steps to make things a lot easier to keep track of. 3, set clear times and durations to help you manage your time better. This will help you manage your workload more efficiently. And 4 is to remember to plan breaks and give yourself time to rest and recharge. So do you have any other good ideas for making a high efficiency plan? Please feel free to leave your feedback down below in the comment section. The PDFelement team is here to help you with your productivity. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all next time.